everyone. You're welcome to another great moment together in Study Guide Forum. Um, we have a question here. Say that 2 points M and N on a surface of the Earth are given by their latitudes and longitude as M 50 degree south and 15 degree east, and then N 50 degree south and 75 degree east. The question said calculate A. The radius of the parallel latitudes on which M and Y lies. B. The distance M and N measured along the parallel latitude. Take the radius of the Earth, the R, that is the radius of the Earth, to be equal to 6400 kilogram. All right, here on the board, we're going to look at this problem and tackle it the way it's supposed to be. The first question here is said that we calculate the radius of the parallel latitude. Now, then we're going to make a little sketch to help us really understand it, so that we can be looking at the image. So in this case, let's say that the S surface is this. We have the S surface. This is my Earth. This is my Earth. The S surface is like this: west, east, north, and what? South. Say that 50 degrees, the latitude is 50 degrees south. That means since this place is south, you can take any of these places. So the other one is what? East. That means the first one from here, 15 degrees east. 15 degrees east is this one. That means M equal to 15 degrees east. The second one is what? 75 degrees. This is then N equals to 75 degrees east. I think they are all east. Okay. Right, this is what we have. Now the main difference between them, the major difference between them, the angle difference, is this what we have here. So to get that one, what we do is that 75 minus 15, we'll have 75 minus 15, this one will give us 0. That will give us 6. We have 60 degree. We have 60 degree. So so the first question there is the radius of the parallel latitude. So that let's quickly go to that one first. First thing first. Radius. That radius, remember, since the parallel latitude, we have it to be r cos theta. R cos theta. R cos theta. So then our R is equal to this. We have it to be cos. The cos now, that is cos 60. Cos 60. All right. We have actually it's cos 50, because we have this our latitude. This is latitude, and this other one is the longitude. So so when we get the cos of that is cos 50. Cos 50 will give us cos 50 multiply 6400. That will give us which is equal to 11.8 kilogram. That is what we have. So the next one we are going to do here is to find the word, say that the distance along the word parallel of latitude, the distance along the parallel of latitude This time along the parallel latitude, what we do here is that we then use our formula. Remember, we have it to be times 2 pi r cos theta. Now we already have this. We have this to stand for what? 4113.8 kilogram. So the next thing we're going to do is just include it here. Substitute. We're going to substitute. If we substitute here, what we have, this one now is a 60. The 60 we have here 60 over 3, 60 times 2 times 411.318 over 1. So when we add it up together, when we multiply the up and divide by the down, we'll have 4309.9 kilogram. That is what we have. Alright. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.